Honey is great for clearing skin scars, healing acne, improving complexion. Honey is good for all skin types. Let's have a look at natural honey masks for each skin type. Mask for oily skin. Mix 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and red clay and apply gently onto your face. Wash after 15 minutes, first with lukewarm water and then with cold water. Red clay balances out natural oils on our skin. Clay and honey combo acts as an exfoliation agent and removes excess oil from the skin. Mask for dry skin. Mix 2 tablespoons of almond paste with 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. Apply the mask and let it sink in for 20 minutes and then wash gently with cold water. Honey and avocado combo restores necessary moisture on your skin, making it soft and supple and smooth. So it is very important, particularly for people with dry skin. Mask for acne. Mix 1 tablespoon each of baking soda, lemon juice and honey and apply over your face and neck gently. After 20 minutes, wash your face with cold water. Baking soda is antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and when combined with lemon juice, it helps clear out acne. For people suffering with acne, or if you know anyone suffering with acne, this is a very important mask. Mask for even skin tone, hyperpigmentation, discoloration, and improving your complexion. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric, honey, and lemon juice to a bowl. Now add 1/4 cup of yogurt. Mix well and apply gently onto your face and neck. Wash off with cold water. Do this once a week. Turmeric, when combined with honey, helps reduce the appearance of scars, treats discoloration, hyperpigmentation, evens out your skin tone, and if done weekly, improves your complexion too. So you can see a definite significant improvement in evening out your skin tone and complexion. Now here comes the mask for sensitive skin. Mix 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, green tea powder and honey. Apply this mask and let it sink in for 30 minutes. Then gently wash your face with cold water. And if you don't have avocado oil, you can use an avocado paste instead. Green tea powder is a very powerful natural antioxidant which helps repair damaged and aged skin and fights a lot with free radicals to prevent skin damage. And it is very good for sensitive skin. Thanks for watching. Give us a like if you enjoyed the content and subscribe for more.